Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to play HEVC H.265 videos on a Windows PC. The H.265 codec does not come with your computer. That's why when you have an H.265 video, you can't play it if you don't have the H.265 extension. We need to download this extension to be able to open those H.265 videos. The link will be in the description. On this website, we need to download the extension. By the way, if your operating system is 64-bit, you must download the 64-bit version of this extension. If your operating system is 32-bit, you must download the 32-bit version of this extension. Now click download. I will select 64-bit. As you can see, we download the extension. Now double click the exe. As you can see, I have already installed this extension, but you just need to press the install button and you can able to play HEVC and H.265 videos after installing this extension. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.